Alright, today we're making puff with square.
We need margarine, brown sugar, corn syrup, cocoa, sugar, margarine,
then
chocolate, corn syrup. When everything is melted, turn up the fire. Line the inserts with parchment paper. Now it's mixing time. We need 1 bag of puff wheat. Now divide the mixture into 2 inserts. Press it gently. Cut it 8 by 6 per insert. And there you go, we have our puff with squares.